Yay! Just keep your feet to keep it off, exactly. There you go. You see? Makes you feel like a kid, right? Bring back memories, right? Exactly. What's the name?
Dan.
Dan. This is Dan in the rainforest, swinging on the vine. Look at him. Look at him go. He's loving it so much. And this is his lovely partner here. Say hi. How was it, man?
That was awesome.
Okay. Just hold the rope sturdy. Remember when you're going back in, right? To keep your feet. Exactly. Look at that. Exactly. You see how much fun you can have in the rainforest? That's when the boat get Captain Sunshine tours. Too much fun, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Bring back memories, you know. You did it, right?
I've got 3 pictures and a video.
Captain Sunshine saying goodbye.